It's Wednesday, my dudes, and
we're in a car show. This is the annual Harpenden Classics on the Common and comes with a bit of a difference to usual.
the perplexity of this event is that it's on a weekday. So the only people who can actually attend this meet are retired or the unemployed or self-employed like myself.
This MX-5's gonna make some noise. With his mouth. Obviously the only other way to attend this show is if you take a day off work. So that's what we got, a Wednesday car show with cars such as the ISO Griffo in dark green, Italian design, American heart, British design with an American heart. And as some will be pleased to know, it's not just classics. It's got the Dakar Yellow M3, but the classics are what hold prominence. Listen to this drag setup Camaro SS. Even Lightning McQueen has taken a day off.
The show is in its 30th year now, and every year there's a bit more of a police attendance because people sit
outside this pub, the Silver Cup, to watch the cars and egg them on to provide revolutions, which the D-Type didn't, and revolutions, which the Cobra did. Oh, listen to the idle. This is a good spot though for the arrivals because everyone has to join the roundabout to get into the show. That's a nice plant you've got there. This is perhaps the coolest car so far, a Morris Hot Rod. It's like something out of Wacky Races. Big V8 up front. Quite quick. They notice. They're noticing. Oh, they're noticing. We have a Lamborghini Countach arriving.
Last year we had an F40, there's always something legendary.
This year it seems to be, going the wrong way. And after the Countach, we have got a Lamborghini Espada with its 12-pot number plates and 12-pot V12, of course. She was happy.
But we've been here for several hours and it's now 2 o'clock, so we've got the second session
of arrivals. We have a BMW Z3 replica of the Cobra. So it's got the straight six of the Z3 and then Cobra panels.
So you can either pay the shortened price for 2 PM or
a genuine RS200.
Or you can get here at the 11:30 start point, and that's the full price ticket for this event.
Someone's graffitied on your car. And from a replica Cobra, the Z3 came back, we have a replica Plymouth Prowler. It was only last year I found out that they made recreations of the Prowler. Red ones go faster. We have a Nova. This is an immaculate kit car with a hydraulic door to get in and Corvette rear lights. Oh look, he's opened his door. And for some more retro supercar goodness, a Ferrari Testarossa and another Lamborghini Countach in traffic. What a road presence the Countach has. Is it black or is it like a really dark blue on the Lamborghini Countach? Without a spoiler this time, but another 5,000 Quattrovalve. The variety is what I come here for. We have a Lotus 340R. Translucent side doors, much like a Senna. We have an S14 of all cars.
A much better example than this example I found on Car Vertical.
So yeah, classic Japanese damage. This has been a drift car and shows you why it's so essential to use Car Vertical when buying a car, because you can see photos of previous history of any car that you buy by using its VIN or its number plate. For example, let's say you're buying an IS200. You type in the number plate. That was noisy, and yeah, you can see whether the odometer's good, financial status and damage. Look, it's been damaged twice, this car, marked as an insurance write-off. Look, damaged in January and in May.
And using my discount code of AdamC,
gets 20% off your Car Vertical reports
when buying a car, whether it is a JDM car or a classic or a supercar. Definitely worthwhile when buying some of the cars we're seeing around here. So thanks to Car Vertical for sponsoring today's video.
This Lancia has a Ferrari engine. Look, you can see the badge on it, Lancia Thema.
It's got to the point where we're going to go inside to have a look at the cars around, but first,
check out the lock on this S14. I mean, that twinned with the wheel on the dashboard shows off the hobby, and the hydraulic handbrake. He's a hobbyist for sure. There are a great amount of Cobras here today. This one is a backdraft Cobra, rare to find in the UK, and something else has just turned up I want to take a look at. This is going to confuse you. You're looking at like a 2005 front end on a 60s and 70s Mustang, or is it the other way around? It's got a 2004 number plate, but the rear end resembles that from the 70s. So it is a 2004 Ford Mustang, but with a 1969 rear end and front bumpers. And we return to the Lancia with the Ferrari V8, transversely mounted front-wheel drive Lancia. Ooh, there's a Skyline in the traffic. I was about to say I can confirm it's the busiest it's ever been. I can't get around with all the crowds, but outside the pub is where everyone egg people on for revolutions, and this R33 is complying. So I might as well head to my normal spot, see what happens. Ah, now these were a noisy bunch when they entered. First the We do have some policeman officers just behind. I think their blind eyes are being turned. What? Has someone broken down? Oh, the escort. Don't crash into your mate. They've coned off the escort now whilst they get it repaired. Ooh. Boosted Mark II Golf and another noisy Capri. Unlike the new electric rubbish they're producing. Look at the dog! Look at him go! The dog might be the second breakdown of the small incline that is this hill. He's in a predicament. This E60 M5 has been doing laps. Bit of wheel spin from him.
Can you put us on YouTube?
Maybe. Traffic is building as I think we've managed to push the second breakdown up towards the first one. Next to leave from the other field is the dark blue Countach. Listen to this. Oh. Here comes the Chevy C10. Apparently it's on a Monaro chassis. Pretty sure this is the 8th Cobra of the show. There's a few hot rods to bar. Enthusiastically. Another glimpse at the replica of the Plymouth Prowler. And the C10 again. It's probably one of my favourites of the meet. Wonder how tasty that is. Apparently it's edible. Ah, Dakar Yellow M3 revving before it's default. Oh look! Can I get a ka-chow? We have a return of the Skyline that was popping. He's going to be stuck behind whatever's pulling out. Let's see what kind of noise he makes now. The GTO is next to depart. Here comes the genuine RS200s. It's only done like 2,000 or 3,000 miles. And for another replica of the day, Ferrari 250 California Spider. Another BMW Z3. Here comes the gasser. Loud noises? Inside a car. If I zoom out, you can't read that. What is the Lewis waiting for? It's a clear road. Go! Go! Come on! There we go! Oh! That was all clutch, I'm afraid. Oh! Oh! Something smoky behind it. Black lines. What does a van driver think? I think he enjoyed it. The send it sign is back out. He's got a blurry face. The police were just checking out the send. It works. It does work. The spoiler wielding MX-5. Speed and power. What will the E36 think of the send it sign and the crowd and the moisture on the road?
Clutch is going to do. It's a shame it was
that wheel, yeah. Here's the Ferrari V8.
Yes,
Doesn't sound like a Ferrari V8. What about the S14?
yes, mate.
A sample. Yeah.
Oh, he's boring him.
V6.
I don't sound like a V8.
Oh, Zenki S14.
Yes, mate. God!
He's angry. It's because he called him
Go on! Send it! Lovely sound. Send it!
Send it!
Lovely sound. Send boy, come on.
It was the outside wheel again.
It's quite a fit, you know.
Okay, RS 500, Sierra Cosy.
Come on!
Slowing down.
Come on, MG.
Look at the dirty micro. What is the thing?
Get to the bloody car wash back.
Oh, there's a Golf R Shriner in go. Oh, there we go. Never happens first time. An enthusiastic departure. We have a VR6 Corrado. It's been making a lot of noise. There were 3 kids in the Mac just cheering. The signs being presented. Marina Blue on the E96. 1.6 doing a burnout. That is a Dax Rush. Little kick car with a V8. Same guys that made my quote. Go! Well, the passenger looks over like you. We want sends. Nice expensive turbo. Decent. He's getting closer and closer without spinning any wheels. Oh, the passenger was on the phone. Maybe he was being polite to not distract her. No, there he goes. It's the Dax Rush. Loud noise is imminent from the IS200. Content here at the Harpenden Classical on the Common. We're going to do our traditional thing of leaving and having an Indian. There's a lovely place down the road, so hope you enjoyed that. Everyone's still at the pub waving and waiting for more content, so check out the links in the description to get 10% off your car vertical report when buying a car, or if you've already got one. But for now, thanks for watching. That's a V8 bike! Obviously, we've seen the V10 bike, the Viper, but oh.
What a push, man.